Zirivangi Uchathol the Labour 50-bedded hospital da qualified oiba CMO amadi Dr. Suna Tharak tabagi matangda miyana Khongjang changduna OPD thong lonba amadi CMO office thong lonbagi Khongjang Ngasisu Makha Chathari haina District Hospital Monitoring Committee gi member Fanjobam Manteshwari Devina ekhoi paumida phungdurakli makna Makha Tana haikibada ngasi District Hospital Monitoring Committee amadi Zirivam da leriba atai maira paibi sing amadi CSO singa loidena ekhoina changsinjariba hospital asigi OPD Thingba amadi CMO office Thingbagi Khongjang Ngasisu Makha Tana Chathari maramde ekhoina Taukiba demand ngasi fawda PBD CMO qualified oiba ama thabi raktri amadi Dr. Matik Chana Laktri atai development sing amata tawdri ekhoina asuk kuina tawrak liba strike demand asi mari lenaba government na tabidana leiri loinena Zirivangi prezabu manipur gi preza oina ubidrabara ana laingba kadaida chatuna lainga doino hospital ama leina Assam da chatuna laingba da awaba kaya thengnari bani haibana chingba wafam sing panki
Zirivam the lady Amatangari hospital, Karamba Pivum the lady. Karamba Pivum the lady, have the Dimasi district hospital ni Amadi, district hospital, not a 50-bedded hospital near Karamano, hungry. The 50-bedded hospital near Haragana, she's a bed lady. Bedka her lady gave a traum to her young Haile, double to traum to late. Asibu Carino, a quick Ziribambu, Manipur woman, a Carino, Bidig. Ziribam the real possession, he worked with Manipur, Prazan, that trapper. Where one another lying like Pomatan, who could die the lying doing, where some that's a lying with the Bashak Khongjang, who was the Karan Satuino. But Singasibo Tabiti, Marum Sicarino. Aduna de Makha and assume Khongjang as it, Chathari, as it is to Henna, kind of Khongjang Hill, when Maramaduna Halbasi, if we demand him at Tamsana Matiksana, a Pumpana people have a snake walkers.